Good morning, everyone. Today, na napunta sa atong virtual tour, no? And this time, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-toilet and bath house with an additional maid's quarter. But what's good with this property is along the highway na gid siya. So paggawas nimo highway na dayon, and this is seated in a 1,200 square meters lot area. So ipa na to, no? Tanawa ang palibot, dako na kayo siya. Lawn pa lang daan, guys. This can park, I guess, up to 10 cars, if you may. So pag abot diri is the gazebo, pwede ninyo himuan og maybe an events place kung mag-throw mag-party, birthday party or reception for a wedding, no? If you'd like to start your business as well, kung gusto mo mag events place, pwede kayo ni siya because ang catch ani guys, this is a rare find because nani siya swimming pool sa sulod nga ato pong explore in a while. So pagtanaw mo no, nanagit siya yung mga, di ba? Ninyo siya, kinana siya mga garden and all. Then, upon entering here, makita din nato ang iyahang sulod nga naana siya this one. Okay? We have here the living area, huge pod, and then this area is the dining area where you can actually entertain your guests. Dili mo mag-dinner, lunch, breakfast. And here is the kitchen, nga open kitchen gihapon. While you entertain your guests there, pwede mo mag-cook dere, mag-chika and all. You can do your anything that you can cook. And ang dining area na siya access to the swimming pool. So, bani siya ang swimming pool, guys. So, especially to those who would like to have their own place nga na ay swimming pool, this is the place for you. Look at that. No? So, if your plan also is to have your own Airbnb, a place or a house with swimming pool is a rare find, especially sa mga guests no nga gusto og ingon ani, maka-celebrate sila sa ilang birthday and other events. You can cost this at around siguro mga roughly 8,000 per day. So, i-multiply mo na siya og 30 days, that's around 120. Ano? Mga 320 per month nga gross income. I think makasunod ba here? Sa balik na diri. Sa balik na diri, guys. Here, sa kitchen, no, napod siya access to another place which is the dirty kitchen. Somewhere here. Tada! Dirty kitchen, no, for a larger scale of cooking. And then, naa siya common toilet and bath here. I guess this is the maid's quarter. Okay? For our 3 bedrooms naman, let's explore it here. Yon. So, diri ang 3 bedrooms, nagtapad sila, guys. This is the first bedroom nga naanay own aircon, naanay built-in cabinets and whatnot. And then here is the common toilet and bath for everyone. And the second official bedroom is this one. Okay po siya. Luag-luag siya, guys, no? Need lang siya retouches if you like. And you can arrange this according to your liking and personal decisions. And welcome to the master bedroom. And it's huge, no? Naa siya own ka ng bathroom. I know, dili siya bathroom. So, di ba, first time na ako. Kan siya, guys. Walk-in closet. Then here is the toilet and bath sa master bedroom, and na siya on ensuite here, and then na siya bathtub, diba? Very unique. And yun, ang catch pod actually here sa master bedroom is na siya access to the swimming pool. So pwede na pag mata ninyo, pwede na din diretso dito. So that's it for this property, guys. If you want to inquire, do a free site tour with me. Once again, I'm Cyrus, a sales manager of DK Realty Philippines. That's all for today. Bye!